Okay, what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and set up a single LED to be blinked on and off with our first program. So I'm just going to start by attaching LED to the breadboard, and I'm also going to install a current limiting resistor. So now all that's left to do is to wire up this LED to the board. So for now, just as a test, I'm going to wire directly to the 5 volts on the anode, and I'm going to connect the cathode to ground. And we'll plug in the Arduino, give it some power, and we'll see what happens. And as expected, the LED has lit up. It's not doing anything yet, but it has lit up. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to transfer the LED onto pin number 2. And the rest of this we will be doing in the Arduino IDE. Alright, so let's take a look at activity 1 here. So activity 1 is a program which we're going to blink our LED. So let's take a look at, before we get into the void setup, we are setting our variable LED pin equals 2. So this is defining pin number 2 as a pin to control the LED or the LED. So int means we're calling an integer, and the variable's name is LED pin and its value is 2. So in the void setup, we've just got here pin mode, LED pin is output. So whichever pin was called in the variable LED pin is going to be changed to an output. So we're setting pin 2 in this case to an output. Now on to the void loop. So in here we've got a digital write LED pin high, we've got a delay, and then we've got a digital write LED pin low, and another delay. So what we're going to do now is we're going to just download or upload this code to the Arduino, and we are going to switch over to the other camera and see what happens. So let's upload that now. Okay, if you get this error, an error occurred while uploading the sketch, the first thing to troubleshoot is whether the Arduino is on the correct COM port. So at the moment down here it looks like it's looking for an Arduino on COM 19. If we go up to Tools and go to Port, you can see here that our Arduino is now on COM 20. So if I select that and hit the upload again, this time we should get our upload. So I'm just going to snap over to the other camera and show you what happens when the sketch is uploading. Okay, so here we are looking at the Arduino again, and what we're going to do is just re-upload that sketch, and you should see the TX, RX LEDs which were blinking there on the Arduino for a moment. That indicates that data is traveling via the serial connection. And you can see here that our LED is blinking away just as we were hoping it would.